All right. Looks like we're going. So the lesson 6 group meeting quiz. All right. Do you have yours pulled up?
Yeah, I'm opening now.
Okay.
Okay, so lesson 6, sampling distribution. Okay.
All right. So let's start with question 3. When you're taking a sample size of n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed? I get skewed right.
Skew right.
Yep, okay.
Okay.
Question 4. Do you want to do that one?
Okay, when you are taking a sample size of n 100, okay, what is the shape of a distribution of means? It's normal.
Yep, normal's what I got too.
Okay.
Question
Question number 5.
When you're taking a sample size of n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is normally distributed? I get normal.
That's what I got as well.
All right.
Number 6. When you're taking a sample size of n 100, okay, what's the shape of distribution of means histogram when the parent population is normally distributed? It's normal.
Yep, I get normal as well.
Say second, please.
Okay. All right, you ready?
Okay, ready?
Okay, question 7. When would the distribution of means be normally distributed? Data are drawn from a population that is normally distributed and the sample size is small. That would be true. Data are drawn from a population that is normally distributed and a sample size is large. That would also be true. Data are drawn from a population that is right skewed and the sample size is small. That would be false, so I wouldn't check that one. And data are drawn from a population that is right skewed and the sample size is large. That one is true.
So I got 2. So you say 3.
Yeah, I got the first 2 and the last one I say are true.
Okay. In the afternoon, actually did submit it, and only got 75 out of 1. So I only got 2 right.
Oh,
I'm
really?
not sure. I'm not sure whether it's 2 right. Sometimes it can be 1 right. Well, I only got 2. The second one and the third one, last one. So data are drawn from a population that's normally distributed and the sample size is large. And data are drawn from a population that is right skew and the sample size is large.
Yeah, so those ones would be true. And then the first one that says data are drawn from a population that is normally distributed. So that one would also be normal.
Okay.
First
And
one.
question 8, which of the following gives the best explanation of central limit theorem? Okay. The last one, if a sample size is large, the shape of the distribution of sample means will be approximately normal.
Yep, that's what I get as well.
Okay. Question number 9.
All right, so let x be a random variable with population equal of the mean equals 10 and population standard deviation of 6. Suppose the sample size of n equals 36 is drawn from the population. For question 9, what is the mean of the distribution of the sample means? It would just be the same as the population mean, so 10.
It's 10. Correct, yeah. It's 10, yeah. It's the same, yeah. Question number 10. What is the standard deviation of a distribution of sample means? So as we calculate, I actually got 1.
Yep, I get 1 as well.
Okay, which is correct because the square root of 36, it's actually 6. When we got, okay, the calculation, the answer was 1. Correct?
Yep, that's what I get.
And
Question 11. Regardless of the distribution of the population, if the sample size is large, greater than 30, what would be the shape of the distribution of the distribution of the sample mean? That would also be normal because of the size of the sample. So
it's normal.
normal.
It's normal. Question 12. What theorem would justify your response to the last question? Central limit theorem.
Yep, that's what I get as well.
That's well done.
Awesome. All right. I don't have any questions from that lesson, do you?
Not really. It was straightforward. Just need more readings, I guess.
Yeah. Read it and study it. It makes sense overall, but I still have room to improve on it. All right. Well, I can start a second video and we can go on to lesson 7 if that works for you.
That works for me. Thanks.